Why are there not more people talking about Jamaica's blazing trail towards the Paris 2024 Olympics? Ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your seats because Jamaica is not just participating, they're aiming to dominate at the upcoming Summer Olympics in Paris. At the forefront, Shericka Jackson, Jamaica's sprinting sensation, is all set to turn heads and break records. After scorching the track with a jaw-dropping 21.41 seconds at the World Championships, Shericka is eyeing the elusive 21.34 seconds world record and her first individual Olympic gold. But it's not just about Shericka. Jamaica's entire squad is a blend of seasoned champions and fiery newcomers, each with their eyes on the gold. Whether it's track and field or any other sport, expect thrilling performances and potentially record-breaking moments. Remember, every like, share, and subscribe supports these incredible athletes and keeps you updated with all the action. Don't miss out. Follow All Sports Jamaica now and become part of Jamaica's journey to Olympic glory in Paris 2024. Let's go, Jamaica. Let's make history together.